Now, when we say the word bus, what comes to your mind? Now, kids must be thinking school bus, or in our days, it used to be the Scholastic book bus. Adults are thinking DTDC, Best in Mumbai, or perhaps it is the food truck. But ever imagined a classroom inside a bus? When students can't make it to the classroom, this classroom on wheels reaches them. Equipped with computers and teachers, this ingenious idea by a telecom company is our focus on Person of Interest today.
Indus Towers is the world's largest telecom tower company, and they are making significant strides in promoting digital education and literacy. And the clincher here is it's in urban areas, it's in rural areas, and that it's open to absolutely anyone. Age is no bar, as you're going to see in just a minute. Our colleague Yash gets you this special report. Take a look.
Well, it's quite obvious that we are inside a bus, and normally we have seen these buses being used as a transportation vehicle. Some may transform into food trucks or use it as a utility vehicle. But this bus is very different, because this is not just a normal vehicle, this is a digital transformation van. In fact, this van is launched by the Indus Tower as part of their CSR initiative to educate people, to give them digital literacy. You can see the class is still underway over here at this very bus, which is being used by the company to actually to give out information, to give out knowledge to the kids who actually take part in these classes. Well, there is no bar of age, there is no bar of gender, there is no bar of a background. In fact, people from all walks of life come to this very van and take part in these courses. In fact, why it is also very transformational in a sense is that this not only caters to advanced courses, but as basic as just opening up a system and writing a basic email or writing something on the MS Word.
The van itself is a solar-powered vehicle equipped with 21 computers, printers, TVs and all the latest e-learning tools. There is also a dedicated facility from the NIIT Foundation that guides students as they complete a month-long course. We spoke to a beneficiary about his experience.
आपने कौन सा कोर्स किया था यहाँ पे और उसका क्या फायदा मिला आपको?
पहले मैंने कोर्स किया कि किस तरह से यूज किया जाता है, ये भी हाँ कंप्यूटर पे किस तरह से होता है। मेरे को मेरे मोबाइल से अटैच करके हिंदी में मेरे को समझाया गया, इस तरह से यूज होता है, इस तरह से ओपन होता है, इस तरह से बंद किया जाता है। उसके बाद में ये नॉलेज दिया जाता है कि आपको कौन सा सामान क्या से खरीदना है, तो मोबाइल से टच करो, ये कौन सी कंपनी है, क्या बनाता है, क्या आपको चाहिए और क्या हमारे को डिस्काउंट देता है, वो कौन सी कंपनी है, वो यूज करो। उसके बाद में हम उससे ऑनलाइन परचेस करते हैं, फिर वो सामान हमारे पास में आता है, फिर हम उनको पेटीएम से पेमेंट कर देते हैं। ये मेरे को बहुत नॉलेज मिला, इससे मेरे को इतना फ़ायदा है मैं उसको बयान नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
This van is of course in Delhi, but there are other vans in Dehradun, Bhopal and Surajpur. We spoke to Tejinder Kalra, the COO of Indus Tower, to understand what the organization's larger plans for this vehicle actually is.
Today we have already touched about 200,000 people, so that's a lot. And we are, through this program, what we are trying to do is take these initiatives to the people. And when we are launching it in circles, let's say today we have 4 of such, as I said, one in Delhi, which and the other one in Dehradun, the other one in Bhopal, and one in Surajpur, which is Chhattisgarh. The plan is not to take this van to one place and kind of put it there forever. We go deeper into the various districts when we are talking about to various states and try and see as many people as we can.
For now, this organization is doing its best to keep this initiative accessible to all groups. They have opened a focus course just for women.
यहाँ पर एक महिलाओं का बैच आयोजित किया गया, तो फिर मैंने यहाँ पर अगले दिन ही एडमिशन ले लिया और यहाँ पर मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया। और उसके कुछ दिनों बाद जब मेरा प्रमोशन हुआ तो उसमें मुझे बहुत हेल्प मिली कि मैं MS वर्ड से जो है लीव एप्लीकेशन कर सकती हूँ और एक्सेल से मैं वज़न की एंट्री करती हूँ बच्चों की, और भी बाकी के सॉफ्टवेयर मेरे बहुत काम में आते हैं। तो मैं तो इंडस टावर और जो इतना बड़ा फ़ंड देता है, शायद मैं पैसे दे के भी इतना अच्छा नहीं सीखती। यहाँ पर मुझे परिवार की तरह लगा और बहुत अच्छा लगा, और 1 महीना कैसे बीत गया पता भी नहीं चला और बेसिक नॉलेज भी मिल गई।
As the digital transformation van bridges the digital gap in rural and urban areas across the country, it continues to empower thousands of people like Sharda and Prey. And today they can better navigate this world around them. With video journalist Pramod Kumar, this is Yash Goel for CNN News 18.